Wow! I'm making 60 cents just by opening Chrome tabs. Can you believe it? Open Chrome, then type Slice. Navigate to the website and click Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking OK. The installation is now complete. Click on the extensions icon, then Pin Slice. Now click on Earn More. Click on Add to Chrome. Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking OK. Close this Chrome tab. Look here to see my earnings. Simply open a Chrome tab or watch a YouTube video and ads will be displayed. This is the main dashboard where you can see my earnings and how many ads I've watched. In the payout section, you can withdraw your money after 30 days. You have the option to withdraw via PayPal or top up your mobile for instant payment. Recently, I've made 2 withdrawals to top up my mobile and I received the funds. Earn rewards by watching video ads. It's easy for everyone. Thank you for watching.